The best cryptocurrency mining application I will show you. This is CryptoTab. The CryptoTab browser is there. The world's largest crypto tabbing number one, the mobile Bitcoin mining cloud application is there. You can earn the loads of Bitcoin on your hand. This is my CryptoTab dashboard. Oh no, my mining is 334, right? 334 BTC, then 1439 hash per second mining speed. This is a cloud mining system. This clouding is located on China. The Bitcoin mining hardware is located in China. The China is the electricity bill is low because that is the main reason the more crypto mining gate and crypto mining farm is located on China. Then you can mine Bitcoin is low budget. That is a big opportunity to mine your cryptocurrency is there. Then 44.9 the withdraw BTC. This is the withdraw. This is the withdraw limitation. The low withdraw limitation 0.0001 sathoshi is withdraw limitation. Then this is my 4 days mining profit. Within 8 days you can mine 1,000. Yeah, maybe at the 10 days you can mine 1,000 and more sathoshis. You can then don't forget this link and don't forget download my just don't forget to subscribe. Then on the way actually I will show you lots of mining applications there. Then crypto tab browser. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Please subscribe my channel. I will show you. I will teach you the how to mine cryptocurrency for easily and cloud mining and mobile mining, game mining, etc. Subscribe my channel and go my description link and download crypto tab browser.